how to pay an invoice on Turo. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can pay an invoice on Turo. So how do you pay an invoice? The first step is for you to log in into your Turo account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, move to the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon, and then in the box displayed, just go ahead to click on trips. This is because for you to request or for you to pay an invoice, you would have to select the trip for which you have an outstanding invoice. So once you've chosen the trip with the outstanding invoice, you'll be taken to the trips details page. So on the details page, locate the invoice notification, all right, and then click on it, the invoice notification tab. Click on it to view the details, and then on details page, on the invoice details page, click accept and pay to complete the payment, and then just like that the payment will be completed. So make sure you complete the payment within 48 hours to avoid any penalties. So that is how you can pay an invoice on Turo. It is very simple. Find your way to your trips app, select the trip with the outstanding invoice, locate the invoice notification button, click on it, request and pay, and accept and pay, and you're good to go. Thank you and have a good day.